So my fans, viewers all around the world, okay, so here, I know, here we're able to remove just one and very small. So rainy season no really grease. Look at this banana. That didn't start cut banana for here. See, and then now this
so
one.
that's what grandma be talking now too.
So guys,
I'm going to tell you what my grandma said about banana.
So guys, you can see because of rainy season, we don't really get much this thing.
So
we are unable to bring.
No. But you know they are banga. They are banga. How many? It take 3 years before you start to bear.
3 years. They don't start to bear.
Oh, shall I tell you?
3 years.
It's 3 years.
So then a white man banga, then the chemical with them plant up. With them plant and they put.
I mean, I think
even this cocoa we say so. You get in on something chemical. As you then clear where they clear
when a super good, they call that thing.
You don't even reach 2 years, the thing don't flow. Don't flow. Start to.
I don't see them for online. And everything on a chemical.
Chemical,
one is true. So my fans just heard now. They say banga no need reach 3 years, 4 years. Once you have the right chemical to put it, even less than that, you don't start to bear. You don't understand? Don't play. So guys, just like I was saying, we are working again. You know, don't play. You're gonna learn. I'm gonna learn the hard way. So you enter and start picking those. Let me go and bring that. Do not just pick it. So guys, if you watch this video to this point, that simply means you'll find our videos informative, educative, and more on what engaging. Don't forget, it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer. Make and just see agri. Adi come.
I feel like kids might be found. Five lady.
As you go and drop this one and come more with you. Yeah, and pick it at once. This will help you cook up. With what? You don't have to know anything else. Our guy there, I see a shoe outside, and he knocked off at the shop. I got 2 times looking come on that go. So I go both sides. They say they do what? We go down carry machine come out. Gonna transfer. So that one will be later. For that man knows with the circuit. That man knows with the circuit for that. And that guy you follow people. You have yourself sometimes. You know if you are taking it. You know to the work, even I found it.
What happened? Water don't dry for that beans.
You put another water. The thing is not soft. Okay. better leave that in a bit. I want to leave that. Chop that. Oh, I better leave that in a bit. I better leave that. If you don't honor you, it's an honor. Honor her. You enter.
Look at that now.
So guys,
Were you videoing?
yes. So guys, on how it is like this. For here, we have packed the seed, and then I'm taking the bunches, and she will bring in the seed. Okay. Ah, that's 3. So guys, stay tuned to this channel. If you have watched this video to this point, that simply means you'll find our videos informative, educative, and above all, engage. Don't forget, it's your number 1, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.